Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, schoolwork, lighting, and shooting model. Well, this is black and white, so I'm gonna colorize first. Okay, then after that I'm going to use this pencil drawing type image I made by Adobe Photoshop. Use filter called Find Edges. But now I'm gonna paint first. So colorize. Okay, add layer and change blend mode to color. Then colorize. Alright, let's get started. Paint on nice skin tone first, huh? Okay, so colorize. I use brush. Yeah, brushing to medium blend. Medium airbrush. I don't need any texture of the brush, so I choose airbrushing. Yeah, like so. Alright. Then next I go makeup. Well, I use the eraser tool, same brush texture. Okay, and I use smudge tool, same texture as well. Now goes back and forth, brush, eraser tool and smudge tool. Okay, now for some cheek. And eyeshadow. Well, okay, so far. Okay, I go for hair. Paint on for base color first, overall. Then I add some highlight. Then the shadow has a little bit reddish, I think. Okay, now smudge. Okay, getting better. Now I go overall, well, about her costume. Well, I had reddish color last time, but I want to try different color. I'll go for maybe moss green type. I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's see. Let me try this. I'm gonna add another layer. Then let's see. Change color mode. The blend mode to color. Again. Then let's see. Moss green type image. I don't know if it's gonna go. Try anyway. Okay. A little more. Well. Okay, now what's the background now? Let's see. What kind of color can you see on background? And some colorful colors last time. This time I want one more layer. This is for her costume. Well, let's see. White color. Maybe just tint blue. Okay, now I go, well, maybe one amber color, overall background, maybe. Okay, I think this shadow is kind of interesting, so I'm going to emphasize some blue color. Kind of interesting orange and blue colors. So I'm going to smudge. Then maybe add some tungsten light. Background key light, huh? Yeah, base color is orange, brownish. Okay, yeah, some kind of color photograph, huh? Well, I'm gonna add, this is for background. Alright, now I'm gonna add, this is color blend mode. Then I'm gonna add another one. For background again, let's see. Okay, this is normal blend, so I can add some light colors. Especially you can add white. Okay, now this is backlight, huh? Then I'm gonna make mask. Now use the little bit hard, medium hard blend. Okay, I'm gonna add some key light later on. Well, add over this model layer. Then maybe, well, let me try. Brushes this time. Okay, and go for luminance and light band. Let's see, how about light brush? Okay, let's see. Let me see, this is normal blend. Now change to screen. Add. Maybe screen, normal screen, not much difference, huh? Add, maybe add. Okay, touch up some. Alright, now I'm going to touch up. Okay, I'm going to go detail. Okay, where's the background? This is background. Okay, I'm going to some smudge, smooth out background. I'm going to check models. Then this is brush, airbrush, medium hard. Okay, now I'm going to add some little bit bluer colors. Alright, almost now for colorize. I guess pretty much. Nice pose, nice lighting, nice backlit. Okay, well, I guess that's it for today. And okay, this is black and white original image. Then I add model's skin tones, makeup, hair color, like so. Then I add background. Well, costume and the background, same layer. This one turn into almost brownish background, and shadow is pretty interesting. So I add bluer color to emphasize some expression. Well, then after that, I add key light. Well, background light sort of. This is without mask. With mask. I'm gonna touch up this, huh? Well, I'm gonna touch up later. And I add key light for her hair and maybe shoulder type. So now I think I don't need to touch up this mask. Yeah. Well, that's about it for today, and I got a nice color photograph. Now next time I'm gonna use this pencil drawing type image with maybe some kind of interesting expression. Well, overlay, it's gonna go nicer. Yeah, much like backlit, key light. This is nice. Overlay effect. What else? Maybe color burn. Goes more thick colors. Some like her hair and the clothes gets more. Yeah, that's becomes nicer. Huh? Change to color burn. Emphasize more contrast. Color contrast. Multiply. Well, color burn's pretty impressive. Color burn and overlay. That's interesting though. Well, how about let's try it today. Okay, pencil drawing type image. Overall, I'm going to duplicate pencil drawing type image. Then one is overall image for color burn. Then just turn it off the other one. Okay, about color burn. Nice on her hair. Shows more nice contrast. Yeah, just leave it this way. Maybe I should move this pencil drawing type image overlay effect, not under the color burn effect. Move this one to over the pencil drawing, color burn effect. Then I'm gonna make mask, invert mask. Now reveal this with medium blend. Well, go for much more softer, so airbrushing to soft brush. Is it too strong? Just a touch. Maybe I can tone down. Oops, it's already toned down. Just that strong. Maybe about 40, huh? Okay, let's get just a little bit this way. And I may make mask too. Just touch. Okay, I'm gonna make mask on this color burn effect. Then use that medium blend. Make mask. Then mask this eyes and lips. Well, don't need the black lines, so okay, that's about it for this mask. This is face. Then yeah, just color burn effect overall, except her face. Well, I guess yeah, that's pretty good color image. Okay, well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and I really appreciate for you guys' support. And you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.